What is up? I think we're live. Yes, we're live. It's been a while since I streamed. How's it going? What is up? I think we're live.
Yep, we're live.
Yes, we're okay. So basically in today's stream, I'm gonna be making a game in Scratch. If you don't know what Scratch is, it's basically like a coding website. The link to my profile is in the description. It'll be posted on that profile. You can follow me there. I kind of started with that channel or that account before I moved to YouTube. So that was like the original one. And that's where I got my YouTube username, was from that account. The reason I'm called Green's Animator is because I made animations. So to clarify, I'm terrible at making games. Like, I'm just going to put this here. Like, I have zero experience with making games. I mean, I've made like a few, but they were they were embarrassing. Like I might unshare them. Because they're that bad. So, yeah, just make sure you understand. So this is more of like a joking stream. Like, it's going to be funny because you guys are going to like watch me fail unbelievably hard. So yeah, the chat is subscribers only. So yeah. Velnarox C, hello. How's it going? You're the first person to watch. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in my Discord server really quickly. Put the link here. So yeah, tell everybody that I'm streaming. You're the first person. If you want. So let's see. Everyone streaming live, right? All right. So the first thing. Oh, it's Valine. Wait, you're Valine? Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that. So yeah, what kind of game should I make? That's kind of the first question. Should it be like a puzzle game or like a platformer game? We could go generic if we want to, but probably not. It could be any game, really. But that's cool. I didn't know you were Valine. Guess you're on Discord now, so. Okay. So technically the stream wasn't supposed to start for like 4 more minutes, so I'm just going to kind of wait, see if anyone gets on. Yeah, I don't really want to do platform because I'm bad at making them and they're really generic. I want to make something unique, like a puzzle. I think I want to do a puzzle game. That's the game that sounds most appealing to me, is the puzzle game. Some sort of like course you have to like get through, like that kind of messes with your brain. Because I think they're easier to code. You don't have to do like much movement. It's more of like just creating the levels, which is something I should be able to do. So, yeah. There's 3 concurrent viewers. Make sure to join my Discord server to get notifications about my streams and to join my events. I'm going to be doing a Hunger Games event. So, yeah. Okay. The first thing is we need a green flag clicked block. Obviously. We kind of have to have this. So, yeah. I don't really know what we should do. Might need to draw like a sprite first. So if anyone's watching that doesn't really use Scratch, basically there's 3 sections up here. There's the code, there is the sprite, how it looks, and then there's the sound that it makes. I think shooter games aren't too generic. How am I going to make a shooter game, bro? That's going to be hard. But that could be part of it. Like, it could be like a 2D shooter game potentially. So we need like any ideas for like a sprite. Should it be like a person or like a shape or something? I don't really know. You know what I think is a rare shape that people don't use much in games is a triangle. It's always a square or a circle. Let's use a triangle. Make the triangle green, of course. Like, a triangle is actually really rare in these kind of games. So we'll make this kind of... Usually triangles are like the spikes, but this time the triangle is going to be the character. Okay, I think that's a pretty good looking triangle. So yeah, we could make this a shooter. Like, that's definitely possible. This could definitely be some sort of shooter. So yeah, I think this will be the sprite. Okay, what next? Well, let me put a poll. What other types of games should we make? Could be like a UVS enemy game. Okay. All right, the poll is started. Okay. So we have this triangle here. I think we should make like a separate costume for when it's moving. So it could maybe be like a little bit blurred. You'll see where I'm going with this. This will actually look pretty good. So like moving and then idle. Okay. So we have two costumes basically. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So let's make this an if else here, like this. So yeah, basically these are like the blocks of code. I'll switch to costume idle. And then we can do when it starts, go here. Show, go to front layer. Anything else for the initial start? I don't think so. Oh, Switch to costume idle. And then we can add another one of these, except for the left arrow. And then this will be -1. Okay. So in theory. Oh, that is. Wait. For some reason, when I do the right arrow, it's not changing its costume. Oh. Should it be like this? It doesn't really change anything. Okay, I want to have like a moving right and then moving left. This will have its own blur. Alrighty. This one should be, yep, moving right, and this will be moving left. Yeah, so the moving right one isn't working, which is really weird. Also, this can be switched to like 5. It might need to be in its own branch. I can't tell if it's moving faster or not. It's definitely moving faster on the other side. Yeah, so now the right side is moving, but the left side isn't. So that is weird. If you guys know why it's doing that. So it's going to the wait. It's going to the left fine. It's switching to the costume. It's moving fast. Then when it goes to, or no, like it's moving to the right fine, but it has the left costume. But then if you go to the left, it doesn't do the blur. It's possible I have these. Let's just try this for a second. No, that's not right. Okay, the first problem has arisen. Shooter. Okay, well, we can still make this a shooter. The triangle can be a shooter. So I think I'll do that. We'll make like a shooter game or something. Maybe this triangle has to like shoot enemies. So, yeah. Okay. This is an interesting problem. So I feel like when it goes to the left, it's not moving as or when it goes to the left, it's moving faster. When it goes to the right, it's moving slower. Which is weird. Well, let's review the code. Is there anything like misplaced here? I don't see anything misplaced. Let's see. -5. Key left arrow pressed. Yeah, so it's not following this command here. We don't need this. We also don't need... Actually. Aha. Now the costumes are working. They both blur. But when it's moving to the right, it's not moving 5 steps. Oh, it's because it's doing... Does this change anything? Wait. This one is going by 10s. Oh, it's because I have freaking... There we go. Okay, that was a dumb mistake. Does putting this in here change anything? Yes, it does. Apparently, I can't have these in there. Okay. That is fixed. So now it moves with equal speed, and the costumes are correct. Oh, whoops. It's supposed to be -10. There we go. Yeah, so the character can move with the costume. All right. I think that's pretty decent start there. I think it looks good. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see. So, let's give this character a gun. It doesn't sound like a very safe idea, but it will have to be. So, you could draw a gun. I had a really good gun sprite. Oh, wait a minute. We can't do guns. Those get banned on Scratch. Usually, anyway. We could do a laser gun. But it is risky. We could do a Nerf gun. But, yeah, we gotta be careful here. Let's just do like a basic... Like, I don't want the art to be complicated. I want the art to look really simple in this one. In this game. Like, we're just gonna do like a little... It's gonna be a laser pistol, guys. It's not a real pistol. Don't worry. Like, yeah, look, that just looks like a clean pistol. Okay, add like a little thing there. I think that looks like a clean looking pistol, if I do say so myself. Yeah, that looks like a decent looking gun. Let's... Heh. For some reason, when I move it in... This because I have some mod that does that. That's kind of funny. Okay. So... Let's give it a gun. This looks kind of funny, but... And then for the idle one, he's going to have the gun pointed down. Okay, that's going to look funny. Oh. It's not idling. That is interesting. Didn't notice that. Okay. I don't like how the gun idles to the right every time. This is pretty funny looking. It looks like that Christmas tree from Fortnite. Like just walking around with an OG pistol. That's what it looks like, to be honest with you. Get rid of this code here. Okay. So It looks like, I didn't even mean to, but it looks like a Christmas tree. That was completely on accident. Okay. So he's got a gun. That's pretty dangerous. Now we need to make him shoot. And then jump. So, well, maybe he doesn't have to jump. How can we make him shoot? Well, we can make a separate sprite called bullet. Remember, it's laser bullets, not real bullets. I think for this bullet, it's just going to be like a little red line. Yep, that looks like a bullet. Okay. Okay, there we go. So I think the shooting one will be if the down arrow is pressed. Maybe, yeah, it should be the down arrow. There's not going to be any downward movements. That's just going to be shooting. If down arrow pressed, broadcast, shoot. Create a message called shoot. Okay, cool. So when I receive shoot, show, go to front layer, and then go to just make this instantaneous. Oops. Whoops. That's what I meant to do. Go to this guy. So yeah, and then I want to go to there and move. So it should go there. So just testing. Yeah, it goes there. Okay. So if we make this 40 seconds and we go here. So then the bullet will start there, which is good to know. Next, we will make it where. So here's the thing. If I go here, yeah. So we need to make it where if down arrow key pressed, we need an and. That's what we need. And get this costume number equals. If costume number equals, which one is moving to the left? It's 3. If costume number equals 3. So left arrow is pressed, or down arrow is pressed, and costume number equals 3. Then, actually, let's first do 2. Then broadcast shoot. We're gonna make a second one called shoot 2. This one will go, when I receive shoot 2, will go to the right side. Right. Yeah, so you can't shoot when you're idle. That's going to be a key factor. You can only shoot when you're moving. And then we'll have a second one for shoot 1 or shoot 0. So it'll be -40. And then this one here, I know this looks like a mess, but just bear with me. 3, broadcast shoot 1. So this now means it starts on that side. Yay. Okay. So it has to actually do something now, though. And for purposes to emphasize, you cannot shoot when you're idle. I'm pressing the down arrow right now and I can't shoot. You can only shoot when you're moving, which makes things a little bit harder, but more interesting. So now it's going to need to forever move -8 steps. And then do if touching edge hide and stop all the script. And we can copy this here and do 8. Oops, yeah, 8. So then the bullet shoots. Yay. Oh, that's the other thing. It can only shoot 1 bullet at a time. So I might need to, I don't know if we should do where you can shoot a bunch of bullets or just 1. I think 1 would make it more interesting. But yeah, also let's make this like 12 because it's a bullet, for crying out loud. 12, okay. And you cannot shoot when you're idle? Yeah. Oh, that's a funny glitch. Wait. Do we have a problem? Yeah, you can glitch it where it just stays. That's kind of, wait, that's so weird. If I press both arrow keys and shoot, it just like doesn't know what to do. It's funny. That's weird. I don't know exactly how we would fix that, but it is what it is. Okay. The next thing to add is somewhere for this character to walk. If you know what I mean. So we need like a ground, basically. Make like a brown. Oh. Let's see here. Since you can't really go down, I don't know if the ground needs really much code. Just kind of there for looks. So, yeah, so he walks along the ground. We'll just make the backdrop like a blue sky. With perhaps a sun in the corner. Yeah. We'll add like objects and stuff too. But for now, this is what we got. So we have a triangle. He's on this map. He can shoot. Yeah, but what is he going to shoot at? That is the question. He also needs a goal. So I think it would be a very good idea if we made this character small. Because then we can make the levels bigger. Okay. Make him shoot sounds from Undertale. Okay. How about we have it where like there's a 1 in 10 chance where the bullet is Sans. Like most of them are regular, but like randomly it will do a Sans bullet. That's a pretty funny idea. Okay, let me get a Sans sprite. Wait, this is actually going to be really funny. People are going to be like, what? That'd actually be really funny. We could do other sprites. Like, it could be more than just Sans. It could be other memes. Like other characters. I'm looking for a Sans sprite. Okay, I found one. How about just his head? It's an easier object to work with. Hopefully we get somebody to laugh from this. All right. 1 in 100 chance of getting jump scared. I don't know about that. But we'll see. Bye. Bye. You got to go already? Oh, no. All right. See you later. Okay. That's a decent looking bullet. Let's see. How exactly would we do this? Oh, yeah. So pick random. Ooh, this is going to be a little bit complicated. Be back soon. All right. Probably stream for like 2 hours, so you got plenty of time. How exactly would we make this a, like, pick random 1 to 10 inside of what? This is a little bit complicated here. Let's see. I don't exactly know. What I wanted to do is pick a random number 1 to 10, and then if it's 1, do Sans. If it's any other number, do 10. Or do just the regular bullet. But I don't know what block I would put it with, is the thing. Like somehow I have to tell it to do this. What I could do is set color effect to random 1 to 10. And then if actually it would have to be size. Set. Okay, guys, this is the most weirdest way to do it. Okay, so set size. Hear me out. Set size, pick random 1 to 10. If size equals 1, then switch to costume 2. Let's call it laser and then sans. Okay. If it equals, let's just do 3. Okay. If it equals 3, switch to costume sans, then instantly set size to 100. Okay. Then, if else, switch to laser. So theoretically, when we do this code, it should work. This is the weirdest type of code I've ever done. All right. So the bullet still works, but every now and then, what is happening? It should do, it's just got to pick a 3. Man, it's just not picking 3s. Wait, this has to be in front, that's why. We should get a 3 eventually. Maybe we're just not getting 3s. Or it's not working. How is it not picking a 3?
Mom's out here doing a walk. Don't you remember?
Is there something I'm missing? Pick 3 there. Either I'm getting really unlucky or it's not working. Okay, let's switch. Let's increase our chances and see if it works then. One, 2, oops. Size equals. Two, 3. Or 4. Okay. If it doesn't pick a sans bullet, either we are so unlucky or it's just not, yeah, it's not working. It would have to pick a sans bullet at this point. Which doesn't make any sense why this isn't working. Am I telling it? Perhaps I should put it here. Hmm. It's never doing the sans bullet. I wonder why. That is extremely odd. So I'm looking at the code and it's saying the size is not changing, which means it's not actually running this. We could try doing this. Hmm. Wonder why it's not doing it. Setting size. Oh. What? Hold on. It's not letting me change the side. Oops. It's not even showing. Wait, hold on. Okay. Briggsy, this is what I tried doing to make the sans thing. So it's supposed to set a size to a random between 1 and 10. And if it picks 3, it switches to the sans costume. If it doesn't, then it just does the laser. But when I'm running it, it literally never picks 3. Like, it never does it. And it's because it's not allowing me to change the size. See, if I try and change it to 99, second I click it, it goes back to 100. 99, boom, it's right to 100. It doesn't allow me to switch the size. Like, I don't even think I can go bigger. No. Oh, wait, I can go bigger, but I can't go smaller. Ooh, we might actually be able to use that. What if we switch this to 100 and this to 110? And then we switch this to 103. 103. This might work. Oh, yep. Did you see that? Look, it just shot Hassan's head. So it does work. Every now and then. Come on. Any shot. Am I this unlucky? No way it's not picking a 3. Oh, it just shot one. Oh, it just shot Hassan's head. That actually looks really funny. That looks super funny. Oh, wow. That's funny. Yep, works. Okay. We've got 6 votes on the poll. More people want shooter. Yeah, I think we're doing a shooter at this point. It's too late. Alrighty. The next thing to do is to add an objective. We need something for him to get, like a coin or something that allows him to move on. So that'll be the next thing to code. Objective. All right. How about the objective is just like a blue dot? Hey James, can you check on her really quickly? I'm doing streaming right now. How about it's like a blue coin or something? Like this. Looks pretty cool. I actually think we might be able to make this look a little bit more interesting. If we add another layer, then we add another one of these. All right. This is the objective. So once the character touches this, essentially, let's actually make this smaller. Okay. So if I click show, get a front layer forever. Oh yeah, we need to have this set as ground. Or actually, we'll call this levels. Okay. So we'll call this one level 1. And then let's just make a small difference, like I don't know, how about like a square here? We'll call this level 2. Yep. Okay. Oops. Switch to level 1. Okay. So, forever, if costume number actually oh wait, Greens, I recommend not adding the glow to the sprite there, but make it so that when the blue circle clone is touching the ground, it will stop. The glow can be a separate costume. Oh, are you saying because it's gonna have like sensory issues where I don't really care if it touches the edge of the glow that it beats the level? Like doing a clone. Yeah, I don't mind if it counts the glow as the object, because doing a clone is going to be much more complicated, especially if we make the object move. It's fine if it just touches the edge, just moves on. That doesn't really matter. So this code does not need to be in here. Leave flag clear. Audrey, don't go outside. Forever. If costume number equals 1, then broadcast object 1. Then when I receive object 1, do this, but go to here. Oh yeah, by the way, Shulky, let me show you what we got in the game. So this triangle guy moves around. It was not supposed to look like a Christmas tree, but it accidentally did. And he can shoot bullets. And randomly he shoots Sans heads, by the way. It's a little blooper. And yeah, he shoots bullets. He can only shoot one at a time. And yeah, and then he can't jump yet or anything like that, but he can move. And he has an idle position. And then, yeah, we're working on the objective right now with the levels. So, for the objective, on level 1, it will go here. If the costume number equals 2, broadcast object 2. So basically what this does is it's broadcasting which level it's on. If it's 2, let's just say it goes here. Actually, no, because level 2 looks like this. So let's say the object goes here. So depending on the level, that's where it goes. Okay. Since it's level 1, it goes here. Alrighty. Hey, I'm streaming right now. Next. Okay, we need to make it where when the character touches the objective, it moves to the next level. So I think what we can do. I'm streaming right now. What's the range for prayer? No, but don't you have like from 6 to 7?
Yeah, you probably by 7.
By 7, all right. Okay. I might need to pause the stream in a minute. But anyway, when green flag clicked forever. Hey. Mom. Can you guys keep it down? Stream. Okay. Forever if. Sorry about that. If touching the objective. This doesn't need to be an F. If else. This needs to be an if. If touching objective. Then. Touching objective and. Oh wait, this is going to be a little bit confusing. Wait, no, it shouldn't be. If touching objective, broadcast level increase. And then when I receive level increase, change. Where is it? Switch to costume.
Just driving now.
Costume number equals 1. Switch to level 2. Let's just make a third level. And then have the square. Let's say there's like a second. Let's just make a little slight change. Okay. If costume number equals 1, then switch to level 2. If costume number equals 2, then switch to level 3. Therefore, okay, let's just try this. Wait, whoops. Wait, it's not. Oh, I didn't even put this in. Whoops. Didn't even put that in. That's funny. Oh, it's switching super fast. Didn't even think about that. Maybe we should have like a wait 1 second or something. This might fix the problem. No, it did not fix the problem. Let's see. Yeah, so it's detecting it extremely fast. That is an interesting problem. Maybe if I put it in here, would this fix it? Oh, that fixed it. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Wait. Can't tell. Yeah, so it's like detecting it and then instantly doing it. That is weird. I didn't even think of that. I also have no idea how I'd fix it. I need to end the stream soon. I wanted to go longer, but I have plans. I might be able to pause it, but I'll see. I think you can pause a stream. Can you? I don't know. Can you guys, do you know if you can pause a stream? Can end stream. Huh. All right, well, I can't finish the game today, but I'll definitely stream finishing it another day. But for now, I'm going to end the stream. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.